first, farmers facing in India, there are a lot of one problem is that fertilizer.
Hmm.
Actually, government has raised the price of fertilizer, first of all.
Yes.
And second is that seed, because there are a lot of companies taking the क्या बोलते हैं show उसको क्या बोलते हैं harassment of the farmers. They are
Okay. I see the farmers.
yeah, because no,
Exploiting.
I'm just giving a my name Akhilesh Rajput. I'm from Uttar Pradesh. Right now I'm in Kanpur. Right now I'm on duty. I'm in milk manufacturing company as a women operator, as a computer operator. If I'm talking about my academic background, I did my masters from Kanpur University, and so also I did a master's diploma in computers, and having more than 5 to 6 year experience in operation, customer service, back office, sales, the things.
You are dealing
But
with customers, back office. Hmm.
and I'm living in my village in rural area, totally rural area, and I'm learning this language. I'm using this app. I think 2 months I have completed. Whenever I got the time in day and night, it is not a compulsory that I talk to through video, through audio call also. Right now, my plan is that I am improving my English because my English is not perfect. So it is time I talk to more and more different kind of person. So it is good for me that I can take lot of knowledge. I can improve my communication, my grammar, my way of communication, my body language, my rhythm. How you can speak to with confidence someone stranger at any topic. But my first motto is that I have to learn first basic English speaking.
Hmm. Yes, you want to learn communication. How can you communicate with other person?
Mhm.
Hmm.
Because
Okay.
I got the experience because I've given so many interview in top level multinational company. Because
Hmm.
if you are going to in multinational company for giving the interview, so there English is more important because
Hmm.
if
Yes.
that person, any process manager, any operation manager, any HR will take the interview in English, not in Hindi.
Checking your speaking skills. Are you comfortable in this language? Because sometimes, like you are getting call from like foreign countries, you are dealing with foreigners. Are you comfortable in this language? How can you communicate with this person? This is
Yeah,
the reason.
I have experience in more than 3 year in call center. Okay, I would like to
Mm.
share about my journey. I have
Okay. Please
experience
share.
in call center in customer service. Okay, and yeah, I have talked to a lot of South people from Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kochi, and Trichy. South Indian English is fluently. 90% is they speak English fluently.
But when they are speaking, their way of speaking in accent is different.
Yes,
You
yes,
know.
because I'm from North UP. I'm from North North UP, North Indian. Okay, so my communication and their communication is totally different. No, because
Mm.
my background totally Hindi. Okay, my parents, my family, my colleges are using Hindi, but they are using Tamil and English. Only two languages.
Because
Tamil.
mostly Tamil person and South Indian person going to abroad, and mostly they are doing engineering. This is the reason they are more focusing on the English language.
Mm.
So, did you work in domestic call center or international call center?
I work in domestic and blended.
Okay. Hmm.
And also I work on complaint post in that. Okay, so I receiving the mail from the customers. Okay,
Hmm.
if they have taken any product from my companies. Okay, my service provider, if they are not getting the response, they are not unable to use the service, they are facing the issue. How you can interact, how you can resolve the issues. So I have to drop the mail to the customer, written all things in English. And if customer
And
is
if someone is
also not
joining this
satisfied,
call center, they can remove their hesitation by joining in call center.
yes. So no, actually, hesitation means that okay, whatever because it is a learning time. Okay, because I'm not a perfect, I'm not excellent. Okay, frankly telling you, my first concern is that okay, I have to speak whatever I know that. Okay, it doesn't matter that okay, I'm speaking the wrong because you are learner, I am also learner. Okay, we are
Hmm.
is rocket science. We can't learn anything without practicing without mistake. You know,
mm,
mistake is
mm,
also compulsory, because if I'll not do the mistake, it is not possible that I can't do anything. Okay,
mm,
so it's
mm.
possible that if I'm trying to do something, if I'll do anything work, if I'm doing a mistake, it doesn't matter. But you have to calculate the mistake, what you are doing the mistake. You have to
Mm.
catch mistake, and you have to try to improve that mistake.
Yes, yes. So tell me something about your state, Kanpur. Kanpur is the, in past time it is called leather city.
Yeah, it is famous for leather, because I think it is the Manchester of Uttar Pradesh. Previously,
Mm,
we can
mm,
say a lot
mm,
of, no, it is
mm.
that how can I say, it is that Mahanagar, big Mahanagar city. Yeah, lot
Metropolitan
of,
city.
yeah. But if I'm talking about a previous, before 50 years back, there's a lot of industries in Kanpur.
Yes,
But right
leather
now, not
industry.
like that, because a lot of industries has moved in other
Mm,
places in NCR.
mm, mm,
Right
mm.
now, population is very high in Kanpur, but the job is not proper in the Kanpur. So the
So there
person
is
is,
any special places which you want to describe, like any temple, any mall?
lot of JK temple also famous here.
Mm,
Here, and Vaishno Mata Mandir also famous. And Soban Sarkar is a famous pilgrims. A lot of pilgrims coming are coming in Soban Sarkar.
I think there is one place also, Kaka Dev. It is famous
Yeah,
for study.
I have studied in Kakadev. Okay, in Developuli. Yeah, I did there my diploma there in Kakadev, and I did my masters in DBS College in Govind Nagar there also. And
Mm,
I passed my 5 year time in Badra Sat in Kanpur also, because my sister is there. Okay, so that is the reason I spent more time in Kanpur, and
yeah,
more than 5 year I spent my time in Noida in Delhi NCR.
Noida. Noida.
Yes.
So
And
did you find any difference in Noida and in Kanpur?
Noida is that mini Japan. Noida is
Mm,
mini Japan, very well.
mm,
A lot of developments there. So
mm,
I'm talking about metros. I'm talking about uh,
mm,
factories and multinational companies, corporate hub,
mm.
have ring road and
Yes.
buildings there.
In this sector, you have worked in Noida.
Yeah, I work in 37. No,
Mm.
sector SAT and sector 37 also,
Because
and sector
there
25
are
also.
mostly famous. Sector 18, 60, 62, 64. These are the famous sectors.
I would like to share about my journey in Noida. Okay, I
Okay,
work in
okay.
125 sector in. Have you heard about the Mahamaya flyover near MIT
Mm,
University?
I know. Mm,
Yeah, I work there also, and I work in sector 60 also. I work in sector 64 also, near Fortis Hospital.
mm, mm, mm.
Fortis
Yes.
Hospital also. I work there. Yeah,
Mm.
there are a lot of I work there, and previous I work in sector 2 also, near sector 16 metro station, the Atta market near.
Atta market, and I think you had visited GIP mall also.
Yeah, many times I visited, many times, because many times. That is
Mm,
my home route, because that is my home route.
yes.
That is
Before
that is
my
my
marriage, I also worked there. So I know most of the places in Noida.
yeah. Why I join here? Because my hometown is near from this company. I think 50 kilometer
Mm-hmm.
my hometown, and also I'm a farmer also. I have my
Mm.
own lands. I'm a farmer also.
Tell me one thing, like India is a agriculture based country. So
Hmm.
what are the problems like farmers are facing in India in farming sector?
Uh, Listen that, okay. There are lot first farmers facing in India. There are lot of one problem is that fertilizer.
Mm, mm,
Actually, government has raised the price of fertilizer. First of all,
yes.
and second
Mm,
is that seed, because there are a
mm,
lot of companies taking the, so क्या बोलते हैं, शो उसको क्या बोलते हैं, harassment of the farmers. They are,
Okay. Harassing the farmers,
yeah, because
exploiting.
I'm just giving the example in paddy price. Paddy price in Mandi, I think 2,000 and 3,000, 2,000 rupees, not
Mm,
more than quintal. But if you will
mm,
take the seeds of paddy in, at soap, I
mm,
think more than 3,000 price per kg. That is a lot of
mm.
different.
Yes.
There are a lot of
Mm,
difference. And second is that there are water price. I think
mm-hmm,
120 rupees per hours water
mm, mm.
through
Yes.
electric and nalkuf. No.
Yeah, they are not giving subsidy in some states.
Mm.
Yes.
Yes, yes. That is a lot of problem of the farmer. But problem is that no farmers, the crowd. Okay, nobody can the sound of the crowd here in India.
Mm.
Farmers only the cries, nothing else.
Yes. Yes. But I think in future they will make some new rules for the farmer, and it will be helpful for the farmers. Some
That
new
is good.
guidelines they are introducing. Some new guidelines they are introducing
Yeah, but you didn't tell me about you.
because you had never given chance to me for my introduction. Yes, I am Tanya Singh. I'm joining you from Rajasthan. Basically, I belong from Delhi NCR, but currently I'm
Mhm.
living here with my family. And my hobby is playing badminton and watching movies. Yes, that's all about me.
In Rajasthan, where
Jaipur,
I have visited 2 3 times Bundi
Bundi. I heard this
hotel.
name, but I never visited. I only visited in
I visited
Jaipur and Noida.
I visited one time historical place means Chittorgarh fort. Chittorgarh
Hmm. Rajasthan is mainly known for their forts, palaces, because it
mm.
is the land of kings.
Lands of king
Hmm.
of Raj.
Hmm. Yes, and their culture is very rich.
I know that because my brothers ससुराल को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में ससुराल को
Your आपका ससुराल.
मेरे भैया का बूंदी है बूंदी ससुराल भैया
Okay, my brother's ससुराल.
क्या बूंदी है so I visited many times
And you can
Bundi.
also say like this, my brother's in-laws house.
Oh
Yes.
yeah yeah
Hmm.
Dillian sir I think you work there in Dillian sir uh,
I worked in Noida. Mostly I worked
okay
in Noida. So I think now we should wind up this session. Okay.
sure
तो इस कन्वर्जेशन के बाद है डेली यूज सेंटेंस। भले ही उसे प्रतियोगिता में हार मिली, उसने इसे नज़रअंदाज कर दिया और कड़ी मेहनत करना जारी रखा। इवन दो शी डिडंट विन द कंपटीशन, शी जस्ट श्रग्ड इट ऑफ एंड कंटिन्यूड वर्किंग हार्ड। उसने मेरी बेइज्जती करने की कोशिश की, लेकिन मैंने इसे नज़रअंदाज कर दिया और मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा। ही ट्राइड टू इंसल्ट मी बट आई श्रग्ड इट ऑफ एंड डिडंट लेट इट बॉदर मी। He tried to insult me, but I shrugged it off and didn't let it bother me. Now the synonyms of shrug it off: dismiss, ignore, brush off, disregard, put aside, overlook, not be bothered by or let it go. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज रेफरी के विवादित फैसले के बाद स्टेडियम में अफरा तफरी मच गई। ऑल हेल ब्रोक लूज इन द स्टेडियम आफ्टर द रेफरी मेड अ कंट्रोवर्शियल डिसीजन। All hell broke loose in the stadium after the referee made a controversial decision. So the synonym is chaos, turmoil, pandemonium, and upheaval. Next sentence is मुझे इंटरव्यू से पहले अपनी अंग्रेजी को बेहतर बनाने की ज़रूरत है। I need to brush up on my English before the interview. I need to brush up on my English before the interview. वह नई नौकरी के लिए आवेदन करने के लिए अपनी कोडिंग स्किल्स को बेहतर बना रही है। शी इज़ ब्रशिंग अप ऑन हर कोडिंग स्किल्स टू अप्लाई फॉर अ न्यू जॉब। शी इज़ ब्रशिंग अप ऑन हर कोडिंग स्किल्स टू अप्लाई फॉर अ न्यू जॉब। सो द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ ब्रश अप ऑन के जो सिनोनिम्स है वो होंगे रिफ्रेश, improve, revise and polish up. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज, जो होना था वह तो हो चुका, अब आगे क्या करना है उसकी सोचो। नाउ दैट इट इज हैपेंड, लेट्स फिगर आउट द नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स। नाउ दैट इट्स हैपेंड, लेट्स फिगर आउट द नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स।